Once upon a time, have one family. The father talked with his son. Boy, this key, I get it from your grandfather. The old is about 100 years old. It's very important. Used in our family history to open the gate of city. That story is about 200 years ago. I want you, my lovely son, you bring this key and go to prepare shop and ask them how much is it. Then the son go to key shop. Ask them, sir, how much I can sell this key to you? The key master said, hey boy, this is no price. I have a lot in that. Can you see? So I don't want to buy it. Then the boy come back to home and said, Dad, nobody is buy it. I go one shop, I go to shop, thing happen. They don't want it because they have many and your keys look too old. So father said, okay, good boy, that is so interesting. Now I want you to bring this shop into nice market and try to sell them for anyone walk. So the lovely boy, the adorable, bring key to the night market and sell it. He asked a lot, he worked hard a lot to ask to sell. Then the best answer is, good boy, hey man, this key I can give you 10 US dollar. Can you sell it to me? The good boy said, no. Let me ask my papa first. The boy come to home and ask papa again. Then, when papa listened our story, they said, good job. But this is the last thing I want you to do. You put this case on the online, Amazon, or something for bid. The good boy said, are you sure? Yes, go ahead and do it. Then, you know what? In the last minute, this key about 1 million US dollar. Because the story, because what is past, what it's used for. This story, what is teaching you? When you meet the pricing, objection, handling, frank to tell you, it's not about price. No. It's about the value. Okay, today you are the owner of private jet company. You are the owner of your industry. You make it, you proud. One day you realize your business is not good. The transaction is slow. So you think you need to talk, you need to discuss with your team, with your partner, until you come out. I need to down the price. I need to make a promotion. I tell you it's about not a promotion. When you sell the right thing with long pain, never to success. Example, you sell the Lamborghini with the middle class family, with the lower class family. What will be happen? They like it, they need it, but they don't have ability to buy, right? Even not you low down the price, down and down and down. Nothing happened. They cannot afford. Even though they know the value, they still cannot afford. So, I'm going to tell you, don't care about lowest price. In your business, you see 8,000 per hour, 10,000 per hour, 5,000 per hour for private jet company. Include all. What going on? If you show this package, your product and service with the wrong person, they still don't have money to buy. So you need to correct in the right page. And believe me, listen carefully, listen profoundly. It's not about your price, it's about your value. You add more value, you add more marketing, and you need to add smart marketing. The last thing you need to add the great closer to close your deal. Because when they close your deal, when they close the list passenger, meaning is your money come in to your pocket. Now you have money, you can use it for investment back to your marketing channel. You can use it to invest in your expense. Then lead come into closer convert to your money come to your back again. This is our business cycle. So comment below if this clip can catch your mind. For people want to know what is smart marketing, maybe I'm not the guru, but I'm sure because I heard too much already. Maybe I can give you some opinion and increase your revenue. Your goal is my goal. Click link below. Book a call with me to see we are happy to work or not.